Me and my team have been working diligently behind the scenes to bring you the best indicator around. Today, we're going to showcase our new updates for it. Right now, if you have access, you know what you're getting. You get RSI, OBV divergences, you get the levels. Right now, I'm on the weekly. You get your yearly open, daily open, monthly open. You get your Monday range. It's in there in the mix. We've done a lot of things to make sure to bring you the best indicator around. Let me take things down to the daily and open up the updated version of the indicator. We've made sure to concise it down. I think that it's important to simplify things. These levels matter. These levels mean something, and they switch obviously on time frame. You're going to get less levels the higher the time frame you go. Confluence zones will switch. You look at past price action and you see where these zones are and you see how they matter. Right? Trading isn't just going to be blindly entering on a trade just because your indicator tells you to. Your indicator is your confluence, and that confluence matters. And this is what we've emphasized into this update here. You're going to see the other two updates that we have. We have the Coinbase discount or premium, depending on what it's trading at. And we have economic events. So we're going to have the PPI, the FOMC, and CPI for next month already planted on your chart. Psychologically, that does something for you. We think it matters, so that's why we implement it. Now what I'm going to do is just kind of take everything off the chart, open up just my zones of confluence. You can open up as many as you like. So if I wanted to open up a few indicators, I can, and I could customize them to my liking. So that's what I did here. So let's say I didn't want to look at the labels. I just want to look at the zones. We've added a regular confidence to very high confidence sensitivity sort of setting. So you'll see here, if I were to take the 90 regular confidence, move it to a 70, move the high confidence to a 50, move the very confident to a 30, the levels changed in colors. They're going to get a lot more vibrant. They're going to change according to how you set them. I'm going to put on the labels as well. So I'm going to show the labels, right? I'm going to show time frame in the labels. And now we're going to have all that on our levels of confluence, right? So you can see how the colors look here to the right. You're going to see how even when I change this sensitivity to the regular confidence zones, how it's going to automatically light up. You're going to be able to see just how confident that level is. If you already have access to the indicator, you're going to have a refresh option to get your update now. Make sure you do that. If you don't have access now, make sure to join my Discord by using the link down below, and also sign up using my referral link. I'll see you guys trading.